Here are the golden digital airplays of 2023. The most trending Zimbabwean songs of 2023 across all streaming platforms in Zimbabwe. Dindi Nae from Baba Harare is kicking it off at number 15. Securing the 14th position is Man to Man by Freeman featuring Nox and Tifa Guni. Ibozo
by Winky D featuring Holyten, a song that got us all moving to its rhythm,
is sitting on number 13. Securing the 12th spot, we have Mubaye by Feli Nandi featuring The Unveiled. This song has made a significant impact in the digital world this year with over 1.9 million views on YouTube, 151,000 plays on Audiomack, 7.5k Shazams, and 264,000 plus plays on Spotify. A big round of applause for Mubaye for being more than just a song for many of us. Moving up to number 11, we have Zimbabwe by Winky D featuring Shinkai. This track has echoed through the streets and homes of Zimbabwe with over 1.9 million views on YouTube, 136,000 plays on Audiomack, 3.8k Shazams, and 50,000 plus plays on Spotify. Breaking into the top 10 is Sarungano by Jah Prayzah featuring Feli Nandi, a melody that told a story that we all loved. Number 9 brings us Pamwe Wanga Usingade by Floew, track that touched our hearts and made us all sing along. Tangaineni by Minister Michael Mayendere featuring Ruth and Direct Worship Choir is this year's number 8. At lucky number 7,
My Jew by Holyten featuring Magz made us all groove to its beat.
Moving into the top 6,
Delilah by Holyten was on everyone's playlist. Number 5,
Chiremerera by Jah Prayzah.
this song has made a significant digital impact with 2.3 million views on YouTube, 19,000 Shazams, 934,113 streams on Spotify, and 1.9 million plays on Apple Music with a grand total of 5,153,113 streams,
Chiremerera
has shown its digital success. Superstar by Delroy featuring Floew was a beacon of hope and resilience. This song has truly shone bright in the digital world with 3.2 million views on YouTube, 386,000 plays on Audiomack, 20,000 Shazams, 650,760 streams on Spotify, 800,000 plays on Boomplay, 26,000 TikTok sound uses, and 900,000 streams on Apple Music. Superstar, with a grand total of 5,982,760 streams, has been a beacon of hope and resilience. Coming in at number 3,
Ucharamba Uchipisa by Holyten featuring Magz and Pop 10,
a track that was a testament to the power of collaboration. This song has made a significant digital impact with 3.3 million views on YouTube, 941,000 plays on Audiomack, 16,000 Shazams, 638,369 streams on Spotify, 62,000 TikTok sound uses, and 1.5 million streams on Apple Music, with a grand total of 6,457,369 streams,
Ucharamba Uchipisa
has shown its digital success. Coming in at number 2, One by One by Julian featuring Floew reminded us that great things take time. This song has made a significant digital impact with 4.3 million views on YouTube, 694,000 plays on Audiomack, 52,000 Shazams, 727,670 streams on Spotify, 67,000 TikTok sound uses, and 1.2 million streams on Apple Music, with a grand total of 7,346,670 streams. One by One has reminded us that great things take time. And finally, at number 1, with a staggering number of streams across all platforms, Pressure by Holyten featuring Magz and Mr. Candy applied just the right amount of pressure to make it to the top. This song has truly set the bar high with 6.1 million views on YouTube, 623,000 plays on Audiomack, 33,000 Shazams, 1,085,787 streams on Spotify, 25,000 TikTok sound uses, and 956,000 streams streams on Apple Music with a grand total of 8,817,787 streams. Pressure has been the most streamed song of the year 2023.